while we are waiting for the OAuth verification to be approved or verified, we can move ahead and start retrieving and gathering all the assets for the marketplace listing of our add-on. So in order to do so, what you need to do is Marketplace SDK. You need to enable this API in GCP. I have it already enabled. Go to Manage, and here you need to set your app. Mine is public. Individual admin is a docs add-on, and here you put the script version. The script version you got it from here. Extensions, app script, deployments, and here you see mine is in version 3 right now. So what I will use is that number 3. Here all the scopes. The developer information is not traded in my case. The developer name ship add-on, that's okay. The website URL, application, save draft. Perfect. Now we go to store listing. In store listing, we need to gather a couple of things. First, the application name. We already know this. In my case is docs to PDF. The short description, give me the docs to PDF short description in less than 200 charts. More SEO friendly. Let's see this one. It's important to use the trademark. Use commerce multiple docs to one PDF. Add password protection. Convert tabs to PDFs. All directly inside Google Docs. Fast, secure, and easy. Perfect. I don't like this, so I'm going to use this. In the detailed description, let's ask ChatGPT. Give me now a detailed description CEO. Let's start with this one. This doesn't need to be perfect. You can always iterate. Docs to PDF support for docs lets you convert instantly. Including multi-tab document, export, merge, and particular file. Something that I like. Other market. I have this here that has. See, I like this. How this look. So I'm going to reuse that. No logs. No extra tools. Sure. Fast solution. Read more here. Also like this. We'll buy shipaddons.com. Need help, contact shipaddons.com. Okay, here I have more or less the short description and the description. I'm going to hit done, but then I'm going to review it. Pricing, I'm going to put free of charge with pay feature. Yes, that's because I have free tier, basic, and pro. The free tier you have at the moment 2 tasks free each month. Category, I think that this is office applications. Okay, now we need to create these graphic assets. Application icon in these 4 formats. 248, 96. Now we need to do an application card banner. The application card banner is this in Marketplace. It's like this. Are these ones, you see? These one are the the card banners. So we need to do one for our add-on. And I use Canva for doing so. Okay, to Canva, and the size is 220, 140. You design. Okay, I finished designing the application banner. Let's download it. Size, download. Came here to application banner. This one. Perfect. Now we need to create a screenshot. One tip for the screenshot that works very well are GIFs. And the application card banner also support GIFs if you want to add them. Maybe I update them. I will create the screenshots and record the video, and we'll be back to the video. Here I already recorded the video and created all the screenshots. One thing I want to change is the application card banner. I designed a new one. Let me show it to you because I think it looks a little bit better. So this is the first one. Yeah, the second one is this one. So I like it a little bit more. What do you think? Which is better? In any case, I'm going to with the white background. I think it contrasts better. Okay, let's browse. This one, the screenshot I have. So I have two GIF screenshots. Let me show them to you. Here I have the order. This is a GIF. Let me show it here. Basically, it's a short video converted into a GIF. I also did this with Canva. Yes, it's a basic use example. The second one, the same, but just showing a different tool. This is the merge tool. Yes, but both are like 30-second videos. Then I have this screenshot just showing the add-on interface. And the fourth is the application card banner, but bigger. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to, first of all, I think that this one should be the first. No, actually, I think this one. Yes, this one. Because the first one, let's go to Marketplace, to this add-on of mine. So you see the first one is the one that's going to appear first. Then second one, third one, and so on. Yeah, so the first one is most important. Okay, let's browse. So we decide to put the number 4 in the first position. This one. Let's add the first one, that is a GIF, then a screenshot, then the other screenshot, this one, the number 3, and finally the other GIF. Why? Just because I think, for an end user to go all the way to the 4th screenshot is less probably to happen because people are lazy, And the promo video, I have it recorded here. This one is, no, sorry, this is the verification. This one. Yeah, basically here I'm doing a quick demo of how the add-on works. Yeah, and explain. You see, it's a 2 minutes 45 seconds video explaining the key features. It shouldn't be long, and it should be straight to the use case and to the pain issue that we are solving. And okay, and yes, of course here we put some descriptions. Okay, this is the, let me copy the URL from the video. This demo video will be attached to the video that you are watching right now. Here, one video is okay. Okay, support links, terms of service, privacy, tab URL, that's not mandatory. Support URL is mandatory. Support URL. Yes, maybe a with more the demo video as well, and how to reach out to support or to me. Help URL, report this error, post install. Just put like this for a moment. Draft tester, my emails. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. Actually, we could create support URL here and here. Yeah. So you can, and there we can write something like if you want to something like that. Say, oh, make sure file correct. Oh, okay. I finally had to use this tool, preconvert.com, in order to convert the MP4s into GIFs, because with Canva I wasn't being able to create a GIF of less than 3 MB. I don't know exactly which is the max size that Google supports. I was asking here, but um, they don't know. So they don't even know. So I can imagine myself. But the thing is that with this GIF of 2.2 MB, it went through. So I think that there should be a limit around 3 to 5 MB maximum. And the other one, this one, perfect. Everything set up, save draft, and now we can view in Marketplace. Woohoo! Here we have our listing because we are a draft tester. If you are not a draft tester, you cannot see it yet because it's not public. So here we can check all details: the name, the short description, the creator, yes, work with dogs. That's okay. Our logo. This is the first screenshot, as I mentioned. Now we have the GIF here. The next one, another GIF. Okay. Now we are going to change the order of them. But later I'm going to change the order. But you can see how that works. Yes, they appear in the order that they are here. Now we have the overview. This is something I like it. Yes, that we have this without hitting the read mode. You can see the main features: instant PDF export, tabs to PDF, merge docs, power protect. Here, I will fine tune this later on. Read more, and here, if you're interested, you can keep reading. Here, developer, ourselves, support, our support URL, terms of service, price policy, free of charge with paid features. Okay, with that, we are here in the permission. You can see all the permission that we are requesting. With this, we are now ready to submit for review. I'm going to fine tune a couple of details and then I'm going to submit for review. After a couple of days/weeks, we have our add-on approved in the marketplace. Now it's public. Everybody can install it. And the process went quite smoothly. There are a couple of things that I had to change in order to comply with what Google was requesting. But in our third attempt, we got our approval. So let me show you the emails. So the first one happens that the first one, no, this is the this is an email they send to saying that they are going to start a review, and this is the actual review. So basically, they were complaining about the name. They didn't want the name of the app to be Docs with trademark to PDF. First, I thought that it was because I was skipping some trademark on the description, so I tried to put the trademark on all the docs in the description, and then I retriggered the verification, but they again rejected. Yes, so basically this gave me the clue that they didn't want that in the name. So what happened? As I mentioned before, the OAuth name and the app name in the marketplace should match. So for a reason, I had to first update the branding into the OAuth. Only then I could retrigger the verification. Yes, but once I changed the app name to doc to PDF without the S and without the trademark, it was approved. A couple of tips that I noticed that were very helpful in order to test functionality for to the end user is to, once you have the deployment, once you do a new deployment here, a good practice is to go to test deployments, create a new test with any document. Those documents, I mean, in this case are docs, but you need to create as many as the amount of edge cases that you may have. Yes, or use cases. So here I have one with the latest code, the latest version, and you execute, and this will work as it will be barely new installed by any of your end users. So this is like the real test. I encourage you to do as many tests as possible, so you ensure that the user experience will be as you expect. Also here in the Marketplace SDK, go to Marketplace SDK, manage, and here we have a tab for analytics. There is no data enabled yet, so a good practice is to opt in to Google Analytics. Opt in. So this is going to keep track of the analytics about our installs, admin installs, everything related to our add-on. So it's very important to have this enabled. Save. Okay. Yes, this should be already set. We need to give this like a couple of weeks or days, I don't know exactly, in order to start gathering data. And here we'll have like a first impression of how many installs we are receiving. So that's it. I hope for the next video to have some insights about the amount of installation. Maybe hopefully we have a first subscriptor. We don't know. I don't know. So basically, the next video will be some feedback, some insights about which changes I had to deploy, with bug fixes, how it was marketed. I don't know, but let's see, and thank you for watching. Bye.